Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam Sir. My name is Leonis Pancho Isula. I am 36 years old. I am married. I have 2 kids, 14 and 10 years old. Also, I am vocational graduate.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong for my family needs and my future kids.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, I'm working before 2 years in Saudi Arabia.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
My duties and responsibilities is cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, dishes, ironing.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
Yes, I took child newborn, 5 years old, and 60 years old elderly.
Can you tell us how can you take care of them?
Yes, the baby I feed, bathing, wash baby bottle. The children I feed, bathing, and I help for their assignment in school. And the 60 years old I feed, bathing, help her walk in the morning sometimes.
Aside from taking care of them, what is your skills?
Aside from taking care of them, I know how to cook Filipino food and willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
As a domestic helper, it's necessary to be a loyal, honest, trustworthy, and hardworking.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Hi, sir, madam. Please choose me as your domestic helper because I am loyal, honest, trustworthy, and hardworking person. Thank you and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.